In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create an Indeed Flex account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. If you're looking for flexible work options and you've decided to give Indeed Flex a try, creating an account is the first step. It's quite simple, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. So grab your device, whether it's your computer or smartphone, and let's get started. First, you want to head to the Indeed Flex website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Indeed Flex. Once you're on the homepage, you should see a prominent option that says Sign Up or Get Started. Click on that. This will take you to the registration page where you'll need to enter some information. Now, you will typically start by providing your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to because you'll need to verify this email later. Once you enter your email, you'll have to create a password. It's a good idea to use a strong password to keep your account secure. You can mix upper and lowercase letters, add some numbers, and even special characters to make it more secure. After entering your email and password, you might need to fill in your name and some basic demographic information. This may include your phone number, location, and possibly a few other details. With Indeed Flex being focused on flexible work, it's important they know where you're located so they can match you with job opportunities in your area. Once you've filled in all the required fields, take a moment to double-check your answers. A small typo can cause a lot of frustration when you're trying to log in later. Once everything looks good, you'll find a button that says something like Create Account or Sign Up. Go ahead and click that, and voila, you're well on your way. Now the next step is to check your email. Indeed Flex will send you a confirmation link. Open your email and locate that confirmation email. It shouldn't take long to arrive, but if you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you find the email, click on the confirmation link. This link will take you back to the Indeed Flex site and will verify your email address. It's a crucial step because it allows you to move forward with your account setup. After you've confirmed your email, you may be prompted to complete your profile. This is where you can fill in more details about your experience and the types of jobs you're looking for. Take your time here, as having a complete profile can significantly improve your chances of getting matched with suitable opportunities. The platform may also ask for your preferred work hours. Do you want to work evenings, weekends, or maybe just weekdays? It's all about finding that flexibility that fits your lifestyle. Make selections that truly resonate with your availability and preferences. As a final step in the sign-up process, you may want to upload a resume or any relevant documents that showcase your skills and experience. While you may not have to do this immediately, having a resume ready can be beneficial when applying for jobs later on. Once you've completed all these steps, you should be good to go. You will now have access to the Indeed Flex platform, where you can start browsing through job listings that match your skills and preferences. Don't hesitate to explore all the features available to you, such as setting up job alerts or saving favorite listings. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up and created your Indeed Flex account. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of flexible work opportunities awaits you. So dive in, explore, and make the most of your new account. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. I hope to see you in the next one. Happy job hunting.